it's Stephanie from MoodSociety.com. Today, we're going to take our muslin block and we're going to turn it into a draped bodice. This is going to allow you to see exactly how your pattern is going to look when it's placed on the body. The tools you will need are prep dress form, prepped muslin, fabric shears, fabric pins, and a marking tool. We will begin by draping our front muslin block by checking that the cross grain is parallel to the bust line, and then we're going to pin at the apex. Next, we're going to start by pinning at our center front from our neckline to our waistline, and then we're going to anchor a pin at our shoulder seam as well. Now smooth your muslin towards your neckline, cut off any excess fabric, and then as you drape, you're going to mark your neckline and feel free to release any tension that you may have. Moving on to our armhole, we're going to place a mark at the center of our armhole. Then we're going to place a pin at the side seam to anchor it in place. Like the neckline, you can now cut away any excess fabric, mark your armhole, and then release any tension. A bit of ease is normal. Pin that down and then pin from your side seam to your waistline. Next, to create your dart at your princess seam, gather your fabric from your side seam and your center front inward. Pin your dart, mark your legs, then pin your dart down towards the side seam. To finish, trim, release any tension, and mark your waistline. Now your front bodice is complete, and we're going to move to the back. To complete the back bodice, we're going to repeat a lot of the same steps from the front bodice, except this time we're going to anchor our muslin at our center back neckline. Pin from center back and waistline. Drape neckline, cut excess fabric, ease tension, and mark. Now is the point where we're going to match up our shoulder seams from the front and the back. Drape armhole, cut excess fabric, ease tension, and mark. Match front and back side seams. Gather dart at the princess seam, pin and mark, Pin down towards side seam. Trim, release tension, and mark waistline. Check that all marks are in place. Once your marks are all in place, your front and back pieces are now finished. Our bodice has now been draped. Stay tuned for next time when we cover pattern marking and how to transfer those marks to pattern paper. This has been Stephanie from MoodSociety.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.